So when I bought the car, it had, the mark is here, it's quite hard to see. There's a scuff on this side. There's a scuff here on the panel. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Now today we are getting the car repaired. So everything's been approved with Chris at Nissan. The majority of them are sort of fixable, and I've been needing Chris back and forth just saying, is this possible? He said get me some quotes, which you probably saw in one of my last videos, but they said that if you get the quotes over, we can approve which one we want you to go with. So today's the day. We are going to be going across to FCW, which is one of my family friends, FCW Group, which is over in Twickenham, near Twickenham Stadium. FCW Group are going to be doing the repairs over the next 2 to 3 days. Well, there's nothing more to do than get in the car, head on down there. So I've just been given the keys to the Seat Ibiza at FCW here for some Coachworks, and I'm going to be taking it for the next couple of days. I've been given it for the replacement of the smart car. As you know, that's been under replacement, but I'm going to give you like a little walk around of the car, show you some of the features and some of the bits and pieces on the car. Speed manual. It's got a couple of USB ports, which are down here, down here. Smallest cup holders in the world. I don't know what cups we'll get in those, but they're pretty small. Cigarette lighter if you were to smoke. But this car has got a traditional key, so goes in the slot, clutch down on the pedal, turn it on, sat nav comes up, gives you all these side menus on the sat nav, but it's all touch screen. Turn that down, so I can go to this one up here, gives me final destination. I can press back, I can go on all the different apps that it has on the screen, Apple Play or Android, which is quite cool. Next one down, it's got all the functions about the car. That just gives you all the different modes on the sat nav screen, but that's all self-explanatory. And this side, it's the car side, but it's got voice activation, voice command on here as well. These are some of the shortcuts on this side, which is cool. Normal climate control, automatic lights, but things are a little bit cheap on this, but it's just a run around. Welcome inside the Seat Ibiza. Now this car I've been given as a loan car. It is one car actually I feel like I'm on holiday, because I know no one's able really to travel anywhere at the moment, but it's one car that I normally get when I'm on holiday. Not much power. I feel like you can rev the balls off it, but you're not really going anywhere. I would say that this car isn't that powerful. It's a 1 litre turbocharged engine. It's got 5-speed manual, and it's the FR edition. So what does that mean? It comes with a few extra trims, nicer seats. This one comes with a decent sat nav screen, touch screen at that, because everything is touch screen at the moment, and it probably will be for the foreseeable future. I got to admit that this car, I wouldn't believe it if it hit me in the face, but I wouldn't believe I would find a car that feels or seems slower than that smart car. The smart car's got a lot of power for the weight and the size of it, although it's not actually that fast. This feels slower. Comfortable car. It's got enough spatial awareness. I'd say it would be nice if it had maybe a sunroof. It would feel a bit more spacious, because I feel like I'm cramped in on this cockpit. brakes in this car, absolutely fantastic, and they normally are. This car is relatively new, it's 19 reg, but it's only done 5,000 miles. It feels like it just revs and it doesn't really do anything. Gearbox is light, it's quite easy to change gear. The clutch pedal has got quite a lot of travel before you actually hit bite point. So I think that when I first got in the car, it was a bit of a struggle finding the bite point because there's quite a lot of travel. So there was a middle point where I found where to bite, or where the bite is. See? Yeah, that's 20 miles an hour. It's not exactly quick. That was almost full revs. Always very springy. Ooh, see what I mean? Revs hard, bit of a springy clutch. But other than that, I think it's quite a nice car. I wouldn't go out and buy one, but as it's just a hire car, and it's also been given to me from Feltham Coachworks, where the car is. When I got my car delivered to me, I noticed it had some damage, so I spoke to Chris up at Nissan where I bought the car, and it happened to be a Nissan dealership, and he's just cut me up. So I bought the car up at Nissan garage up in Cheshire, so the northern part of England. This car was delivered to me. I wasn't actually able to see the car, so it had a bit of damage. He said get some quotes for me so I can give them to my manager. I went and did that. This place, FCW, which is owned by one of my family friends, I've sent it there. It's over in Twickenham, but they've got another couple of locations. They are FCW, so Feltham Coachworks Group. They are massive in the accident and insurance claims for repairing, so if you ever wanted to check them out, the link to their website is below. But the car, it's been with them for a few days now, so they said that they were just going to be machine polishing the car, and it will be back in my hands by the end of the day. So I'm on the way there now. I'm going to be collecting the car, so I can show you that once we get there. What's up, guys? Well, I've now collected and successfully collected the smart car from FCW, which is over in Twickenham. Thanks guys so much for getting it sorted. The car is now fixed, looking plush. So if you remember, there was damage down on this corner. It's completely gone. It's looking sparkling clean. And if you look around this side, that was scuff here and here. That is completely gone now. That's been totally re-sprayed and redone. And then if you walk around the side, there was a massive gash just here that has been completely redone in itself. So yes, massive thanks to the guys here at FCW. That one does look good. Smart car in the background is all fixed. So hope you enjoyed this one, hope you enjoyed the ride, and I'll see you next time. Enjoy.